Precision pruning, fully automated. Meet the Slopehelper Pre-Pruner, the cutting-edge solution for effortless vineyard maintenance. Unlike conventional pruners, it features independent rotating cutting discs on both sides, eliminating blind spots and ensuring a clean, uniform cut across every vineyard row. Its innovative guiding fingers allow seamless pruning around vineyard posts. No missed branches, no extra manual work. With an electronically synchronized system, the Pre-Pruner adapts to any vineyard layout, automatically adjusting height and angle for perfect cuts, even on slopes. Designed for reliability, the hinged cutting system maintains precision on uneven terrain, while the automatic folding mechanism ensures smooth row transitions without interruptions. 100% electric, zero fuel, zero emissions, zero hassle. For faster, more efficient vineyard care, Slopehelper Pre-Pruner delivers.